Hi everyone, welcome back to LK Dinner Time. Today, I'm sharing a super easy and healthy recipe, roasted chicken drumsticks. Trust me, this one's going to be a favorite if you love simple, no-fuss cooking with minimal ingredients. What makes this recipe special? Well, we're keeping it oil-free and using an air fryer, making it perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy delicious food without the guilt. Alright, let's dive into today's recipe. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, chopped into small pieces, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 tablespoon of cardamom. Start by tossing all those spices into a grinder and blending them into a fine paste. Next, take 750 grams of chicken drumsticks. If you're watching your cholesterol, feel free to remove the skin. It's a great way to make this even healthier. Coat the drumsticks with the ground spice mixture, making sure they're evenly covered. Then you need to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 20 milliliters of natural vinegar. Put them all and stir well. Now, here's the beauty of this recipe. You don't need any water. Chicken has plenty of natural moisture, so just cook it on low heat for about 15 minutes, turning the drumsticks occasionally. A lot of you loved my grilled whole chicken recipe and asked how to make it without the skin or oil. This is your answer. Every week, I whip up a special chicken recipe for you, and if you've missed any, check out the link here for more inspiration. At this stage, if you want that golden, roasted look, add a tablespoon of margarine or butter. It's optional but worth it for the color. Finally, arrange the chicken in your air fryer like this. Set the temperature to 356 degrees Fahrenheit and roast for 30 minutes. And there you have it, crispy, juicy, and absolutely delicious roasted chicken drumsticks. My whole family loves it, and I bet yours will too. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to LK Dinner Time. Let me know in the comments how your drumsticks turned out and what you'd like to see next. Happy cooking, everyone!